Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices and making the first connection. Plug a certified Lightning cable into your iPhone and the MGHS USB port, or enable the car's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for wireless pairing. Once done, unlock your iPhone and watch for the CarPlay prompt. Accept it. On the MGHS infotainment, choose Apple CarPlay from the source list. You're doing this now because an immediate active link avoids timeouts and ensures the system registers your iPhone for future audio. Once connected, focus on customization and permissions so CarPlay behaves how you want. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, CarPlay, pick the MGHS, and drag apps to the first page for quick access. Make sure Siri is enabled and the MGHS mic is permitted. Voice commands are far safer on the road. Also, make sure to set display brightness and audio routing in the car's infotainment to balance navigation. Prompts with media volume for a consistent experience. You're ready to use CarPlay while driving, start a navigation route, stream music, and test a hands-free call. If the connection drops, first unplug and replug the Lightning cable or reconnect wireless pairing. Make sure the MGHS has the latest infotainment firmware and your iPhone runs the latest iOS. If problems persist, restart both the car system and your phone, then remove and repair CarPlay in settings. This sequence clears most software glitches and restores reliable operation quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.